Hey, this is Jason with PTCI again. Today we're going to go into AT&T TV Now, which is one of your cable replacement apps. To start out, today we're going to go through the guide, and to get to the guide I just push the down arrow and then I push over here to guide and click OK. That's going to bring up my channels. Now I can look at my guide two different ways. I can look at it with all channels and it's going to list them alphabetically. You can see all the A's up here and it's got the We channel there at the bottom. If I go over here, push the arrows to the left, I can actually go to Favorites and you'll see all the little pink hearts there that I've hit earlier. These are the channels. These are all my favorites and they're now listed here. Those are going to be in alphabetical order as well, but it's only going to list my favorites. Now I'll go back over here again and click back on all channels. And so I've got those. Now you'll notice that the heart area is highlighted, like for this AccuWeather. If I want to add that to my favorites, I simply click the OK button there and I can add it. To take one off, let's say I want to take this Animal Planet one off, I simply click on it and click OK and it has taken it off. So that's how easy it is to add or take away from your favorites channels. Now, if I want to record something, you'll notice your time across the top, channels down the side. If I want to record something, I can go out here to later in the day. Let's say on AMC, I want to record this movie Batman. I've got it highlighted. I simply click OK and you'll see the little blue line under record. I simply click OK there and it will record it. All right. To cancel that recording, you'll see it says cancel recording and I just simply hit that and the recording is canceled. Okay. Now, I also want to show you that if I go back up here and let's say it's a series like Nightline, if I want to record that, I can click on recording and it'll ask me if I want to record OK or if I want to record the series. And I moved over to record the series, so it will record that now every time that it's on. Also, if I go back over here to the left, back over to all the way back over to the times, I can click over and go down to different categories like movies, and it will show me movies that are on right now, and it'll only list those channels. So I can do that with TV shows as well, sports, and programming for kids. So that's how the guide works on AT&T TV Now.